Welcome to Naval KG Porbandar. We will learn about seasons. We experience different seasons around the year. Some months are too hot and some are too cold, while few months are cloudy and rains, while few months have got good and pleasant weather. Let us learn about the four major seasons: summer, rainy, winter, spring. Summer season. Summer is hottest season of the year. Summer season arrives after the spring season. Summer season occurs between April and lasts up to the month of June. During the summer season, the sun shines brightly and hence it is very hot. During summers, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. We get many fresh fruits and vegetables rich in water in summer seasons like fruits, watermelon, papaya, muskmelon, mango, lychee. Vegetables, cucumber, tomatoes, bottle gourd. As it is very hot, people tend to wear comfortable light color cotton clothes. Hat, umbrella, sunglasses, cap, flip flops, fan, coolers, and as well AC. In summer season, as it is too hot, kids like to have chilled fruit juices, ice creams, fruits and chilled things to beat the heat. To keep ourselves hydrated, we drink lots of water. Hence, summers are the time when the kids enjoy their summers vacation by going to the picnics, villages, water parks, and beaches. Rainy season. The season in which it rains almost every day and the dark clouds are seen in the sky, then such season is called rainy season. It is also known as monsoon season. It comes after the summer season. We get monsoon from June to September. When there is sunlight, we see rainbow, lightning and thunderstorms, and there is a heavy rainfall. Children like to puddle in rains. They wear raincoats, use umbrella and gumboots. All these keep us dry during rainy season. In rainy season, we see frogs, snakes, worms, and snails. In rainy season, we like to eat corn, hot soups, hot drinks. So rainy season is a time when kids like to play in water puddle, enjoy the rain and sail paper boats. Winter season. It is the season of snow and cold, but children, we don't have snow throughout the India, only in Kashmir. During winters, the nights are longer and days are shorter. People wear warm clothes to keep their body warm. We use jacket, muffler, sweater, mittens and socks, woolen caps. We like to have in winter season. The people like to have lot hot food so that it keeps their body warm, such as tea, coffee, soup. We also get many fruits and vegetables in the winter season. Dates, apple, carrot, oranges, turnip, green peas, spinach. These are all healthy fruits and vegetables. Many flowers blossom in the winter season. Marigold, dahlia, roses, mogra, lily. Winter season, in the winter people sit near the fire to keep themselves warm. Spring season. Spring season is the most pleasant and delightful season. The beginning of the spring season marks the end of the winters. Spring season occurs between February, March, early days of April. Spring season is also known as Queen of Season and also called as nature's youth. In spring season, weather is most pleasant and the day becomes longer and the night becomes shorter. The spring season is neither too cold nor too hot, but it's pleasant and breezy. During spring season, trees and plants get covered with green leaves and the fields are also covered with green grass and beautiful flowers bloom. During spring season, trees and plants get covered. Birds chirping, singing, colorful butterflies start hovering over the flowers, buzzing bees, kids love to fly kites as well. Weather is nice and sunshine is pleasant. Spring season is a time when nature shows its beauty as the trees and plants become full with greenery and flowers and fields and lawns get covered with grass. Flowers and also start blooming during spring season and spread their fragrance in the atmosphere. Hence, spring season is called King of Seasons. So, let's summarize summer, winter, rainy, and spring. In summer, the sun is too hot. We like to play near the beaches. We go to the picnic. We wear cotton clothes and have fruit juice and much more. Rainy season. In rainy season, we puddle, we use gumboots, raincoats, umbrella, and there is heavy thunderstorm rainfall. Winter. In winter, we wear warm clothes, have hot drinks, and keep ourselves warm by wearing sweater, mufflers, and socks. Spring season. In the spring season is called Queen of Season because it's the pleasant atmosphere. There is neither cold neither hot. There is a cold breeze. So we like to play in the garden and have a good atmosphere and enjoy the day. We see beautiful flowers during spring season. Thank you.